Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. If you have a 3500 and you're ready to get rid of that factory style look and you're ready to beef it up just a little bit, I have the perfect build for you. Krietz Customs just got done this 2020 Chevy 3500 High Country, and we added that 2-inch Rough Country leveling kit on this vehicle. We gave it a little bit more ground clearance in order to run those 35-inch tires, which this is a Nitto Ridge Grappler, and it's a 35, 12, 50, 22. So you're getting a little bit more of a beefier look, especially going from a 20 to a 22-inch wheel. Coming down to our wheel is a Fuel Rebel. This is a 22 by 10 with a -24 offset, so it sits in just a little bit into the fender well compared to those 22 by 12s. So this wheel and tire package sticks out about 2 inches past those fenders. With this wheel and tire package on the leveling kit on the 3500s, we do have to trim a little bit of that plastic liner inside the fender well, and we do have to trim the mud flap in the rear as well for the bigger wheel and tires. Now, if you like the look of this 3500 and you're ready to build yours, you guys can click the link in the description below for more details.